Girls 11-12 100-meter butterfly heat 8 final. In lane 1 from King, Prima Sanders. In lane 2 from Pacific Dragons, Elisa Tree. In lane 3 from W Clubs, Vivian Young. Schwenker! In lane 6 from W Club, Peggy Wynn!
Yeah, go Penny!
7 from Wade, Adele Pocock! In lane 12, or in lane 8 from Wade, Anna Ventura! And your top qualifier from this morning is number 10979 from W Club, Joy Wall! Swimmers behind your box, Mr. Referee. This is the first call for event 63, girls 11-12, 200-meter backstroke, heat 1. This is the second call for event 62, boys 11-12, 100-meter butterfly, heat 2. This is the third and final call for heat 1. And your winner, the 106.62 from W Club